case of violation of the Election Code of Conduct stands registered in the Bantwal Rural Police Station against Sandalwood actress Ramya and the organizers of the program attended by her relating to her roadshow meant to campaign for Congress in the Taluk recently. She had reportedly organized the roadshow to campaign for Congress candidate from Mangalore constituency UT Khadar. During her visit to the district, Ramya had travelled through Farangipet and other places seeking to impress the voters to choose Congress candidates in the assembly elections. In a complaint filed with the police station, Section Officer of the Election Commission B. Rajendra said that no permission had been obtained either from the Election Commission or the police department for the above program. The police said they have documented videotapes of the roadshow and the meeting addressed by Ramya, having registered a case, being satisfied that code of conduct had been violated by the actors and the organizers of her program. Several Yuva Morcha workers took part in the procession organized by the BJP Yuva Morcha from Mangala Stadium to Hampankatta. MLCs Captain Ganesh Karnik, Monappa Bandari, Shrikar Prabhu, Rakhavendra Rao, District BJP Yuva Morcha President and several others took part in the rally. Later, Suresh Chandra Shetty, HMS leader, and his supporters joined the BJP at a function held at the BJP office. Speaking on the occasion, District BJP President Padmanabha Kothari said that the BJP has chosen the right candidates in all the 8 constituencies of the district. MP Nalin Kumar Katil and others were present. A KGP candidate of Karkala fell ill all of a sudden and had to be hospitalized on May 1st. It is learned that the candidate, who had spent about almost Rs 12 lakhs from his own pockets, was dejected when the party failed to release funds for campaigning purpose. According to sources, the candidate named Praveen had managed his election expenses by availing loan. It is learned he was not offered the promised funds and that no KJP leader, including Dhananjay Kumar, had evinced interest in providing funds. 40-year-old Hebri Dayananda Acharya, son of Hebri Anantaya Acharya, a junior engineer with the MESCOM at Hebri, died of fatal injuries due to a bike accident skid at Hirgana near Ajekar. Based in Hebri, he was also in charge of Ajekar section for some time. A car had hit an electronic pole near Nellikatte and it was broken. He had gone there to assess the damage. On the way back, as he was being taken to a hospital, he is said to have died on the way. He has served with MESCOM for 10 years and survived by his parents, wife and 2 sons. That's it for now, but before we wrap up, let's have a look at the headlines once again. RSS means Rashtriya Sarvanash Samiti. Vrunda Karan lashes BJP, RSS and Congress. BJP mortgage Karnataka to mafia, Rahul Gandhi accuses state government. A case against actress Ramya, violation of election code in Bantwal. Non-release of KJP fund to Karkala candidate rejected, he is hospitalized. Bike kids near Hirgana, Karkala, MESCOM engineer died. Stay tuned for much more live news updates coming your way in all the regional languages as well as English on V4 News, and this is me, Madhu, saying Namaskar.